Hi everyone and welcome as you join us today once again from the Weymouth area. Today we are visiting Portland Harbour. We're going to have a little walk up, just take a look around at a few things, and then we're going to head towards Portland Castle and we'll do a little bit of exploring there. It's a 16th century coastal fort and it's got a little gardens as well, so I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you and enjoy. The memorial to the staff and crew of the Portland Search and Rescue helicopter. And there's the crews past and present. And so you can see it. The rescue helicopter's there. Whatever. Memorial funded by donations given to the public who love Danny. Danny the Dolphin. Fond remembered by all those with good fortune to encounter him. Second World War torpedo, submarine torpedo. In memory of all those who lost their lives when a Liberty boat returning to the aircraft carrier HMS Illustrious sank during a gale in Portland Harbour on the night of 17th October 1948. We can go that way as well, look.
Which? What's the letter? Oh. Oh, you just press play on the next one, is what you do.
Big gun room over here.
Careful here, guys. That's the privy.
Yeah.
Oh. Where's that then? Oh, it's over this, right? Sandford Castle. And the North Fort. So the concrete posts that are over there, enormous floating concrete posts, were intended to be towed across the channel in June 1944. They were to form part of an artificial harbour at Acromanches in Normandy to land men and supplies for the D-Day landings, but never got used. The DDay Museum is actually shut at the moment. There's obviously a used vehicle, it's got a plate on it. If you're thinking of coming here, it's the D-Day Centre. And there's the prices on the opening times. Got a couple of vehicles in there, as you can see. Disposable anchor with enormous holding power. Designed 1943 to help secure the seabed component parts. This is a very rare, only 3 others known to exist fishing boat, built in 1914. Lucky. Lewis. Lucky. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe for more videos and check out the playlist. Thank you.